Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I'm coming on to show you what's inside the Peacock Paisley card kit. This is the next installment of the card kit series for Heartfelt Creations on my channel. So inside it's just 3 cards, you don't get any extra pieces, and you get step-by-step instructions. So here are the cards. You make 3 beautiful cards thinking of you. Have a wonderful day and celebrating your special day. So really pretty cards. You can change the colors if you wish. I plan to do so. Here are the flowers. It looks like vellum. It's embossed, so you can color them. And these are daisies, and here are the leaves. And there's some prills, a bag of prills. So really nice there. And then here are, here's a bag of glitter. And here are the 3 card packets. So I'll share with you what they look like. So here's the first one. I'll open this up. It's an owl card. Share with you what it looks like. All the pieces, and it looks like there's some other collections in here. So here's the owl. I love this oval frame. Can't wait to get that. And then some leaves, the thinking of you sentiment, the bird cage, and the card is stamped out with a paisley background, and it opens up like this. So really pretty there. So I'll set that aside. And then the next one, apologize for the crinkling. Ooh, this is really pretty. There's a peacock. Really pretty. And there's an oval piece, this pretty frame, and this beautiful paper that says have a wonderful day. And then this big, looks like a 6x6 card that folds. I believe it's a top folding card this way. Okay, so really beautiful. Then the last card has this, and again you add your daisies, your vellum daisies. So it says celebrating you. It opens up like this, stamped, and then here's your peacock to color. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the series. If I have a link to the card kit, I will link it in the description box below. If not, just enjoy the series. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.